Third property, polymerization. Then what is polymerization? Polymerization means a formation of polymer. Formation of polymer by a number of monomer molecules. Formation of polymers by a number of monomer molecules is called as a polymerization. For example, suppose this molecule. This is one molecule. One molecule, it is called as, it having carbon-carbon double bond. It is called as ethylene or ethene. This is one molecule of ethene. Then second molecule of ethene, CH2 double bond, CH2, second molecule of ethene. And also suppose number of ethene molecules. First molecule, second molecule, third molecule. In this way, number of ethene molecules. Then it forms a long chain of ethylene, long chain of ethylene. In this way, it is called as polythene. This polythene, it is called as polymer. This is a polymer. And this ethylene, it is a monomer. In this way, by number of monomer molecules, it forms a long chain. It is called as a polymer. And in this process, it is called as polymerization. This polymerization is also due to their nature, that is uniqueness of this carbon atom. Due to formation of number of organic molecules of carbon atoms by process polymerization, it forms polythene by ethylene. This is called as polymerization. Then first point, that is fourth point, isomerism. Fourth point, isomerism. Then we know that we already learned here, that is there are number of organic molecules formed by carbon compounds, that is it forms straight chain and branch chain compounds. Suppose molecular formula C5H12. C5H12. Name of this compound is pentane. As it contains 5 carbon atom, it is called as pentane. Then straight chain compound, structure of this compound is, suppose CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. All these 5 carbon atoms are arranged in straight chain compounds, hence it is called as N-pentane. Number of molecular formula also, this compound is C5H12. Then second structure, this is first structure of this pentane. Then second structure of this pentane is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. In this compound, suppose this is carbon number first, this is carbon number second, third and fourth. On this second carbon atom, there is one branch in this, on this straight chain. Hence, this compound is called as isopentane. Name of this compound is isopentane. Then third structure of this again pentane is, suppose CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is third structure of this same molecular formula. See, in this compound, molecular formula having C5H10. In this there are how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hence write here C5. Then there are how many hydrogen atoms? 3, 5, 8, 7, 9 and 12. Hence, you are having formula C5H12. In second compound also, what is molecular formula? Again in this compound it contains C5, that is 5 carbon atom. And how many hydrogen atom? That is H12. Again in third structure, in this also molecular formula is C5 hydrogen R12. In all these three examples, compounds having same molecular formula. Compounds having same molecular formula. But what is difference in between these three examples? Their structural formulae are different. That means compounds having what is, and this phenomenon are called as isomerism. And these three molecules, these three compounds are called as isomers of each other. These three compounds are called as isomers of each other, and this process or this phenomenon is called as a isomerism. What is isomerism? That is one or more compounds having same molecular formula. Same molecular formula of these three compounds are same but different structural formulae. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formulae are called as isomerism. In this way, this uniqueness of this carbon atom is explained by 4 points. That is, first point is tetravalency, second one that is catenation, fourth one polymerization, third one is polymerization, and the fourth one is isomerism. This is due to this uniqueness of carbon atom. The next point, that is formation of covalent bond. Next point, formation of covalent bond. In the previous lecture at last week, we already learned first type of bond, that is ionic bond. Ionic bond, which is the example of this ionic bond, that is sodium chloride. You learned already at last lecture first type of bond. There are two main types of chemical bond. First one is ionic bond and second one is covalent bond. This ionic bond of sodium chloride we already learned in last lecture. Then second type of bond is covalent bond. This covalent bond is formed in a carbon compound by sharing of electrons. Also it forms in hydrogen molecule, or also it forms in oxygen molecule. Then first of all, covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. First one, formation of bond, that is mainly covalent bond. Then first example is formation of hydrogen molecule. Then formation of hydrogen molecule in between two hydrogen atom. This hydrogen having atomic number 1. Hydrogen having atomic number 1. Suppose this is atomic structure of hydrogen. This having only one electron in shell, first shell. This is in nucleus. There are proton and neutron. This is first molecule of this hydrogen. Then second molecule of second hydrogen atom. This is nucleus and this is second molecule of second hydrogen molecule. Then these two hydrogen atom this having duplets their octet. For formation of compound, it is necessary to complete their duplets or octets. Duplets or octets. Here, this hydrogen having only one electron in their outermost orbit. Hence, it having duplets completed their duplets to formation of hydrogen molecule. Then it forms hydrogen molecule as, suppose this is one hydrogen atom, this is second hydrogen atom, this is first electron, this electron from this first molecule of hydrogen, and this is second electron, this is first electron, and this is second electron of this second hydrogen molecule. In this way, it forms a hydrogen molecule. It forms hydrogen molecule. This hydrogen molecule and its molecules it form by sharing of one electron of this each hydrogen atom. This first electron from this hydrogen atom and this second electron from this second hydrogen atom. These two atoms, two electrons are shared and it forms one bond. This bond is called as a covalent bond. This bond is called as a covalent bond by sharing of electron. This molecule is formed by sharing of electrons. In this way it forms. Then also electron dot formula. It also shown by electron dot formula. Suppose this hydrogen atom having one electron, this second hydrogen atom having second electron, and it forms a hydrogen molecule by sharing of electron. Or it also shown in this way, that is two hydrogen atom. And bond and structural formula of this hydrogen is shown in this way. That is two hydrogen atom. Two hydrogen atom are joined by dash. These two hydrogen atom are joined by dash or bond. This is called as structural formula. This is called as a structural formula and it is called as a bond line structure. This already learned in 9th and 10th standard. That is, these are called as electron dot structure. This structure is called as electron dot structure, and this structure it is called as a structural formula. It forms a single covalent bond because it shares only one electron. Each hydrogen atom form a bond by sharing only one electron, and it forms a pair of electron. It forms a pair of electron between these two hydrogen atoms and it forms a hydrogen molecule. That is the formation of hydrogen. Then second, that is formation of oxygen molecule.